Alright, hello guys. Today I'm going to talk to you a bit about the Wig Fix. This was sent over from my friends at Renatural. Thank you for gifting me with this. This is not an unboxing. This is going to be my second time trying it. The first time I tried it actually was for a photo shoot. I really wanted something that would ensure that the wig would stay on correctly as I was moving and getting those angles, and it kept it on correct. So yeah, I'm excited to show you guys. So again, it came in that really cute container that I just unzipped. I got the translucent one, and I decided to put a little bit of makeup on it. As you can see, I put a little bit of makeup on it, so it really just blends a lot more seamlessly. I'm gonna go ahead and put this bad boy on. So there's two sides, as you can see. This side has a little bit more of like the spokes and stuff, and this side is a little more smooth. So I'm gonna put like the smoother side on my head so it doesn't like pain me. They say to put it like where you would put your natural hairline. So I've heard this rule: to find your natural hairline, you wanna do 4 fingers. So right about here. Again, if you have hair, it's easier to kind of like judge where that should be. But for those with alopecia, I'm saying 4 fingers and you should be Gucci. I'm gonna put on a few wigs for you just to demonstrate really the quality of this. So to start, I have this fun wig called Storm. We got Storm in the building. My girl Storm. I've already adjusted the little clips here to the tightest one because my head is kind of small. And we're just gonna put her on. Again, see, I'm layering it on top. Ooh, I have not worn her in a while, and I may have to bring her back or get like a human version of this because this short bob, it's giving me something. Girl, she needed a little comb out, so I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna adjust it at the back. And just like that. There you have it. Okay. So I'm gonna put on a little music. Gonna dance around and see how this goes. Not bad. So I'm gonna take this off. And we're gonna switch wigs. And see how this goes. Now we have this gorgeous synthetic wig. We love her. And I'm gonna put her on and see how it works with a real human hair wig. So as you can see, she's gorgeous, she's human hair, I've curled her. This is actually a good test because I cut off way too much lace on this wig. So she is kind of hanging on by a bit more of a thread than the other girl. So let's just see how she goes, you know? So let's try this test with the human hair. Let's see if she's giving us the roller coaster proof grip. Okay, not bad. Dirty one, my girl, dirty one. Let's try this. This is on now. She feels pretty secure. Let's dance. Not bad. All right, there you have it. The Wig Fix. 3 wigs, 1 grip, looking bomb. And I'm pretty pleasantly surprised that there isn't too much demarcation left from the grip. I was concerned that the grip would leave some demarcation, but she looks pretty good, so cheers to that. Alright, Wig Fix. If you want to try out the Wig Fix, I will leave my discount code below. I believe it's Joy10. I'll let you know if anything changes. But yeah, definitely hop onto the Renatural.com and grab your Wig Fix. This is great for people who wear wigs. This is great for people with alopecia. This is great for anyone who just wants roller coaster proof, dirty wine proof, dance proof grip. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. If you want to see more of my poor dancing, if you want to see more wigs, if you want to have more fun, you want to learn more tips, this is the place for you to learn how to keep growing and keep glowing.